How to fix banned account in the Spike Volleyball. So this is a common issue many players face while dealing with a banned account in the Spike Volleyball. If you found yourself in this frustrating situation, worry not, because I've got some valuable tips to help you get back onto the court. Step 1 is to understand the reason for the ban, because before taking any action or any crucial step, it's very crucial to understand why your account was banned. The game may have specific rules and guidelines that you might have unintentionally violated. Take some time to reflect on your recent activities and interactions within the game. And step 2 is to review the game's terms of service. So familiarize yourself with the game's terms of service. You need to have information about the do's and don'ts of playing the game. Look for any sessions that relate to the reasons for account suspension or banning. This will provide you with insights into the game's policies and help you rectify any mistakes you might have made. And step 3 is to contact customer support. The next step is to reach out to the game's customer support, explain your situation in a respectful and detailed manner, express your desire to rectify any wrongdoing, and request a review of your ban. Be sure to provide any relevant information such as your in-game username and the circumstances leading up to the ban. And the step 4 is to apologize and commit to fair play in your communication in your customer support. Acknowledge any mistakes you made and apologize for them. Assure them that you are committed to follow the game's rules and regulations moving forward. A genuine and sincere apology can go a long way in showing your dedication to fair play. And step 5 is patiently wait for a response. After you've contacted customer support, it's a waiting game. The support team needs time to review your case thoroughly. While waiting, refrain from creating new accounts and attempting to bypass the ban, as this could worsen the situation. Step 6 is to follow up politely. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, consider sending a polite follow-up inquiry. Keep your tone respectful and patient, as customer support teams often handle numerous inquiries. And step 7 is learn and improve regardless of the outcome. Use this experience as an opportunity to learn and improve. If your account is reinstated, make sure to uphold the game's rules and guidelines. If the ban remains, take the time to reflect on your actions and use this as motivation to ensure a better gaming experience in the future. Remember, every game has its rules and regulations, and by abiding them, not only ensures a fair and enjoyable experience for all players, but also helps maintain the integrity of the game itself. So I hope these steps were helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.